Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Lavish, and today we're going to be reviewing the Asceny one. I actually bought this keyboard with Getter on Browns just because I wanted to acquire the keyboard. I already had the blues, so I might as well try the browns. So I ended up buying the browns for only $60, such a great price for a great keyboard. The only thing I don't like about this keyboard is probably the simple fact that the white is not actually white. It has like discoloration in it, like weird RGBs and shit. I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna get straight to unboxing, and pretty much all you want to do is just open the box, and right away you're gonna be presented with the keyboard itself. Actually, one thing that I can say, I already opened this keyboard and I already did all this, and as you can see, like the keycaps are all switched. Like later on I'm gonna show you with the old keycaps, but it actually comes with, yeah, I just showed you the keycaps, but it actually comes with an extra set of keycaps, not for the whole keyboard, but just different multimedia functions. And it also comes with a cable, but the cable is already like separate. And it also comes with a keycap puller, as well as a switch puller, because this keyboard is hot swappable. So, with that being said, we're gonna move on to the typing test. I'm gonna record a couple videos of me playing Fortnite, just how it sounds, and just for you guys to get an idea of what you're getting. So now we are going to be moving into the typing test. We are going to be just trying our best to type. Alright, so we're just gonna do a couple of free builds. I'm gonna let you know how this keyboard sounds and shit. So. How the fuck do I do this, man? Alright, that's all for the keyboard review. If you like this anyone, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description for you to cop it. It's about like $60, maybe $70. But for me, this is a good keyboard. It works for everything that I want it to. There's nothing wrong with it. Everything works fine. And if you're on a budget, this is definitely going to help you out. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe. Make sure to follow your dreams. This is Lavish, and I'm out.